This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by LaGatha Baxter. Cute as can be. You will feel right at home the moment you enter this home. Fully remodeled within the last few years, including new cabinets in kitchen, granite countertops, backsplash, gas stove top, interior doors, wood-look vinyl flooring, ceramic tile, carpet, interior and exterior paint, garage door, new windows, storm doors. Backyard has covered carport area, dog run. Great location, convenient to downtown, shopping and highway access. Close to Clear Fork, Trader Joe's and trailheads. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact LaGatha Baxter at 817-517-3693.